bang a few pizzas out. It's a bit too risen for my liking, but it doesn't matter for me. She is Poppy. Bring you over here. There's Ra. There's Kai. There's a margarita. Here we go. Down. Boom, out we come. And I've cut myself pulling that out, but there she is. I think I could bang a pizza out every sort of 5 minutes on my own. Oh, we got a bit of a burn on there. She'll be right. She'll be right. We margarita. We margarita. We margie. Thanks for the pepper. Lavender and rosemary hot honey for the pepperoni. For the pepperoni. It's got a real kick, this stuff. Oh, fuck, I forgot to have one in there. Lucky me, she's not burned. Just drizzle a bit of hot honey on top of here. Rosemary and lavender. Here's to Hamish and Katie, who donated this to me. Break that seal. Man, on the outside. Good flow. Good flow. Better than I thought it was going to be. Mushroom, margarita, pepperoni. Flame on, baby. Build your skill set. Enjoy what you're doing. Yeah. Boom. Done it. Here we go. Another steaming hot pizza. Beautiful. So dairy-free, jalapeno and pepperoni. Mushroom, a margarita, and a jalapeno and pepperoni again with hot honey. Last one for the evening. I've run out of sauce. A little bit of blue sky poking through up there. Last one. Beautiful. It's going to be light airy crust.